Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa Natasha. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to be creating a white centerpiece, and I'm going to be using Dahlias today, Cabbage roses, Eucalyptus. So check out the description box for each product, where I got them, how many I use. Okay, I'm going to glue my foam onto this. It's actually a plate. Small plate, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. So with round centerpiece, it's good to put 2 on the top sticking up, then you can go 3 around, and then 4 inside. And it depends on the length you cut the stem. That's gonna help guide the size of the centerpiece. So shorter it is, the smaller circle. I'm gonna cut right here and then see if I like it. We're gonna begin with 2, so I'm gonna actually put them at an angle like so.
It's important to be mindful of the circular shape for your centerpiece, so you're going to cut some of the stems shorter and some longer just to keep that shape.
It doesn't have to be perfectly round, okay?
So here I'm just adding the flowers and using the leaf of the dahlia to hide the foam.
Alright, so now I'm going to add the rest of the flowers that I have. So these are cabbage rose.
So at this point, I'm adding all of the white flowers for the centerpiece. I did add 4 roses to the base of the centerpiece because there were space that I noticed there, so I add 4 roses to that area. So here I am adding the greenery. These are dark eucalyptus, and adding the greenery after you add the white flowers will just hide any extra space that's there. It will also cover the foam as well. I like this look because I like to add the greenery with it sticking up above the white flowers. It just looks more full, fluffy, and elegant, and you can add as many greenery to your liking. While I'm doing this, I decide that I want to make it pop some more, so I'm going to add another type of flowers.
Now I'm going to do the final touch, and I'm going to add all of these, or some of these, I'll let you know. They're called cream billy balls. I didn't make it up. Cream billy balls is going into the decor. Okay, here goes. And these are so pretty.
Okay, now I'm going to display the centerpiece. I believe I have enough. This is what it looks like. So this vase, I just add water to it. I have a small vase in the middle there with water gems and a flower. Now it is absolutely beautiful. I love the way it came out. It's simple but elegant, easy to make, and very, very affordable. This will complement any wedding table. Now, if you have any questions, guys, just comment below. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.